Hey guys, what's going on? It's Riley here with Canadian Dividend Investing, and welcome to episode 77 of our Wealthsimple Trade Challenge, where we try to max out the TFSA in the first 3 years of investing. As you can see, the portfolio is up to $56,913.54. We are up $2,413 all time, which is equivalent to about 4.43%. Now, in the past day, the graphs aren't up yet, but we're actually, looks like a green day today, which is awesome. We're up $146. In the past week, we are actually down $995. There was a couple days last week where the stock market was very down, which happens. There's lots of fluctuations into the markets. It's important at this time, and I always mention this over and over and over again. I sound like a broken record, but it's so important to keep your stocks invested so you can get those dips, but also kind of when those peaks happen, you can take advantage of those as well. So keeping your money invested and dollar cost averaging is, in my opinion, the best strategy of stock investing moving forward. Past month we are down 500. In the past 3 months we're up 1,266. In the past year we are up $1,809. Before we jump into what stocks I'm buying today, I just wanted to kind of tell you guys that I launched a one-on-one coaching program. I've had a couple people sign up and have great results with it. It can be a 30-minute or a 60-minute call just going over your portfolio, what my thoughts are on your portfolio, and different tips and tricks that I use moving forward. So if you're ever interested, link in the description, shoot me an email and we can try to set something up. Apart from that, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe on the video, and follow me on TikTok and Blossom Social. And we're going to be going over my Blossom dividends at the end of this video. So, all right, let's jump right into it. We'll switch to total value. Today, we're going to be only buying 2 stocks today. These are 2 stocks, one being one of the main banks that I invest in, which is RBC, ticker symbol RY. This stock's down a little bit. What we're going to do is pick up share as it's down, and hopefully that pays us some dividends moving forward. So just 1 share of this into our TFSA. Again, we have about $1,000 to play with the TFSA. The second stock, only 2 stocks today, we're going to be buying is, again, a stock that's been a little bit down, has dipped a little bit. The US market's been very hot lately. So we're just going to let those stocks kind of do their thing. We're going to kind of pick up the dip of these Canadian stocks that should head back up into that positive trajectory. So we're going to be investing in VDY. So we'll see how many shares we can kind of pick up with this. We should be able to get away with quite a few. So just going to go over here, and we can probably pick up about 24-ish shares, maybe 23. See if this goes through. Not quite, so we'll go with 22 shares of VDY in the portfolio. So really a good position into VDY. Again, it's a high yield index stock, meaning that it pays a healthy dividend as well, which is awesome. So just kind of recap for you guys, the portfolio is up to $56,912. This week we invested into RBC as well as VDY. Now what we're going to do next is I'm going to jump over to my Blossom portfolio, and we're going to go over the dividends that I'm currently accruing with my portfolio. So I'll check back in 2 seconds. Okay, so we are back. This is my Blossom portfolio. If you guys ever wanted to follow me, my username is @Riley or Canadian Dividend Investing. Now, as we scroll down here, this is using the Blossom Pro version. We're going to click on dividend contribution. So as you can see, annually the portfolio is at about $1,652.59 of annual dividends that this portfolio accrues. Now on the monthly, this portfolio, similar to mine, kind of gains about $138.63 in dividends per month. And then a lot of you wanted me to show you the daily. So daily we're making about $4.52 in dividends. So that is my update for this week. Again, we're going to continue to increase those deposit limits if possible moving forward. But I think the account's doing great. We're again closer and closer to maxing out the TFSA. So thank you guys so much for watching, tuning in for another video. Again, like I mentioned, online coaching down below. Follow me on Blossom Social, the app I'm using right here. Awesome social app. Again, I can't say enough good words about the app and everyone who's participating in the app. Follow me on, you can in the link in the description, there's a Wealthsimple Trade, and actually, funny enough, they actually just increased the deposit amount or the opening amount to $50. So if you open a Wealthsimple account and deposit and trade with Wealthsimple Trade, then you get a $50 bonus. And then last but not least, YouTube, and then TikTok and Instagram. So thanks again, guys, and we'll speak next week.